In this video, I will show you how to attach the side piece to the divider piece. Okay, this is the side piece. I will place it in the position. Okay, this is the wire that I was working before. Okay, bring it forward from the next hole. Okay, then through the side piece. Okay, I am not matching that where I put it because it's just for like the video. So but you have to measure that where will be your side piece. Okay, now we will work like this. I took it out from this side, from this hole, and the next hole I will take it back. Okay, it may seem a little bit difficult to you, but it's not actually. Okay, so we are working in the first hole, and same we will do with the divider piece. First hole here and the first hole in the divider piece. Okay, okay, this is attached now. You can see what we will do from here, that we will leave the one hole of the side piece and pass the wire to the next one. Okay, here is the first, second we will skip, third we will work, and take wire to the back of the side piece, the next hole, adjacent hole. Same you will do with the divider piece. I hope I'm making sense. Okay, leave one hole, next hole of the side piece, take it to the back, next adjacent hole, bring it forward through the divider piece like this. Okay, continue the same procedure. Okay, when you reach to the last hole, work 2 or 3 times like this, so the wire doesn't come off easily. Okay, and then trim. Don't trim it close. Okay, leave a little bit. So this is how I have attached divider piece to the side piece.